This is a demonstration of how to download, install, and use the eTel Pet SELLIT Plus POS customer-facing display. So the first thing you're going to need to do is log into your register login on your register computer. And then you want to get your tablet. You will need to have a tablet that's 7 inches or larger with an Android operating system. And then you'll need to go to the Google Play Store, type in eTel Pet to search, and then download and install that app. Once you have the app installed, you can go ahead and open it, and you'll have a login screen. So what you'll need to do is log in with the same email address and password that you used to log into your register computer. So I've put the email address in, and then I'm going to click next. Now it's wanting the password, so I need to use the same password that I used on my register computer. Click next. And now it wants to know my schema. And so I'm going to go to my POS on my register computer. I'm going to go to the content configuration page. And when I get that pulled up, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and then I'll see down there what my schema should be. So here I already know that it's Sandy's Pet Depot. And then I'll click done and log in. And now I'm showing a customer-facing display, which is not a mirror image of my POS, but a nice clean view that my customer can see what is going on. So next, I'm going to go back over to the computer, and I'm going to record what I'm doing there at the same time while I'm recording what's happening on the customer-facing display. So here we go.
Okay, now I'm logged in with my customer-facing display, and here I am in my pet store, and I'm going to make my first sale. So I'm going to enter my customer's name, and here she is. I'm going to enter a product for her. And she wants 2 of those, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to do a quick override of 5% off. Do a special request. Quantity of 1. Let's add a deposit on the item I just ordered of $5. Let's add a tip too. Let's do a quick select. Got that, ordered 2 of them. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and pay. And we have a successful sale. Good job.